So, mula kami manguha mi og pa oh.
Kasirian.
Together with my sister.
Tabang-tag.
We're going over there.
Pero that now, ini makuha na ko ng kamera ha.
So, hi Bikong. Hi Bex. Hi. Mga egg pa. Ipakita ang pa oh.
Pao.
Oh, so that's the fern. Oh, mga may pauron.
Dili man dito no?
Look. The cab. So tiny. So we're gonna look for a way to go down there. Oh my gosh. There is kung naraday diri ko daghan. So this is the fern. This is the fern. Okay. We'll get this one. And this one.
Na ako, Baby Joy.
Latag ubay-ubay po. See? Tara, okay, maklaro. Oh. Diyan na pa siya nanguha pa. Hi, Bex! That's pao, or what we called as fern.